back to Daily Carry Solutions. It's Carlos, and today we have a tabletop review on a piece of gear for my firearms that has been a huge help since I've purchased it. It's inexpensive, dual purpose, comes in a variety of colors, and most importantly, it's durable. This is the ProShot UV Bore Light Illuminator Chamber Flag. It's one of many ProShot branded items, and the brand has been supplying civilian, government, and military shooters since 1982 with an entire catalog of products. Be sure to check them out at www.proshotproducts.com. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty and why this was worth making a video about. When you carry and shoot your pistol, there's a ton of debris that can collect inside your gun's barrel. This is why well-known shooters and gun manufacturers stress that you should do a maintenance cleaning of your pistol every so often. And I say every so often because it really depends on how much you're carrying and shooting the pistol. There's a quick hack to check if the inside of your barrel needs a quick cleaning, and that's to shine something bright enough to see what's inside of your barrel. A common solution to this is to buy a bore flashlight. Many of the large gun companies market their own versions. In fact, I'm pretty sure that Remington and Winchester have models available. Do a little Googling and you'll find that it's basically a compact LED flashlight running off of batteries, and it has a flexible shaft to get into those hard to reach areas. The problem is that they tend to break with constant use. The LED isn't really bright and can go bad. The metal is cheap and begins to rust, and the batteries can go bad pretty quickly. And to top it all off, it's going to take extra space when you're going to travel with it. The team at ProShot came up with a compact alternative that's made in the USA, isn't metal, and it won't hurt your barrel. It doesn't run off of batteries, and it's going to last longer than a bore flashlight. Cue the UV Bore Light Chamber Flag. I've been using this product for a few years, and it's held up really well in all of my firearms. A big plus about the product is that it's made of really durable acrylic, and as long as you have a source of ambient light, it will really light up your barrel. It's almost a one-size-fit-all application, and it's worked in the barrels of all of my 38 Special, 9mm, and 45 Auto handguns. Using it's so simple a caveman can do it. No offense to the caveman and women, by the way. It's a fast and easy way to check barrels for wear or cleaning. Just insert the thinner short end of the UV Bore Light Chamber Flag into the firearm chamber and watch the tool light up your bore for inspection. It really is that simple. And if you want an even brighter picture, take out a small flashlight like the Sofern SF14 and light up the round chamber flag for added brightness. For this video, I chose my Glock 43 and my Glock 17 so you can see how it works in both full-sized and subcompact pistols. As you can see, it lights up everything inside of my barrel using only the light from outside. Not only is it a handy tool when you're maintaining your gun, but it also doubles as a chamber flag when you travel via airline. As an example, I travel with my M&P shield when it's legal, and let the airline rep at check-in know that a firearm is secured inside my checked luggage. TSA wants to inspect the firearm to make sure it's safe for travel, so I use the UV Bore Light Chamber Flag as an empty chamber indicator. It's bright enough that when they open my locked case to inspect my shield, they immediately see the chamber doesn't have a round loaded, close and lock the pistol case, and check in my bags in record time. Later on, I'll be doing a video revolving around traveling with your firearm, but the UV Bore Light Chamber Flag is definitely a huge help. If you're interested in checking out the product, I've included a link in this video's description where you can pick it up with 2-day Prime shipping on Amazon. Be sure to hit subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos, and slap that like button like your mama taught you right. Remember, if you EDC, think of DCS, dailycarrysolutions.com.